This is my daughter's creative space, but it is very hard to keep it clean sometimes, so I decided to help her as much as I could. I started by discovering her space from her point of view. After some brainstorming, I started sketching her favorite animals and I came up with an idea of the turtle organizer. Well, after some creative break, I started modeling on Blender. By the way, I love using this software. I decided to use the central section of the shell as a place for a water tray and other sections for different purposes. Not to waste time, I bought 3D printer filaments online. By the way, it was very hard to choose a suitable color for our turtle. Next morning we went to the beach. I guess it's the biggest advantage of living by the sea, so we can go whenever we want. In the meantime, I received 3D printer filaments. I bought soft pastel colored rainbow. I don't know how to call it, but it's a multicolor one. I kept developing the 3D model and decided to test print the water tray just to see if it's good in size and shape. So I left it to print overnight. It was a good time to change her watercolor set. I didn't really like the brushes, but it was all we had. I think she liked it. The first test print looks very nice. I like the size and its shape. And here you can see a tiny offset for better handling. I think it is deep enough for the brush and it won't spill out. But yeah, it's successful. I finalized the design and it was time to print. But the turtle body was too big for my printer, so I had to split it into two parts. As I'm using my 3D printer mainly at night, it took me more than 2.5 days to fully 3D print all the parts. The final result was very impressive. I was honestly very happy. Yeah, there were some problems, minor problems, that I will consider next time I'm printing, but here I was very satisfied. Finally, our lovely turtle is ready. I love the color, I love the shape. It turned out to be even better than I expected, honestly. Now her desk is clean. Her brushes and pencils have a tiny friend to keep them safe. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's ours, and that's the best part. Thanks for watching, guys, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section below because it will help us grow even more.